Okay, I love that. We'll sing together. All right. Ready with your squad? I'm here alone, solo. I'm gonna do this. All right. Ready? Get that M16, let's shoot some hopeless people head. You know that I'm a homie slim, never getting down. I call my people out there, don't call me Slimmy boy. You call me murderer, I'm gonna shoot you in your forehead. Don't you ever mess with me, I'm a fucking boy, and I'm a murderer. Don't you ever think, cause I'm a homie slim, and my pure nugget now. You call me Lee again, I'm gonna shoot you now. Don't you mess with me, I'm a killer. I'm a killer, you know right? I'm a killer, you know right? So let me hear from you. So I'ma give you. I'ma give you. I'ma shoot you with the headshot. Headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Headshot! Headshot! I'm never gonna lose myself cause I'm a homie boy. Alright, now let's go to some places like Pochinki, Zarki, right? Who loves going to Pochinki? Alright. Don't you miss any places, cause you know who I am. I've been driving but all the way from Turkey. I'm flying down from airplane, falling down to Turkey. And I don't even know this people all dead. Now let me tell you something about this place, cause I'm a pro player and I am good player. And if you search for me, I'ma kill you right there. Now don't you mess with my squad. My squad has 4 people, and you know I'm gonna snap you with my 8X. Now get your AKM, now get your M416, now get your M60, now get your Orza. I got my AWM, but you got the M24. I got my everything, you got the car 98. I'ma shoot you there. Are you with me? Are you with me? Cause I'm gonna shoot you. And I'm gonna shoot you with the headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Headshot. Give it up with the headshot. Headshot. I'ma give you with the headshot. Thank you guys.
That was Home Slim with the headshot. I think everybody wants an encore from Hans Slim, right? Hans Slim, have you got more? Have you got more for us? Got another one? Okay. We're gonna go for a headshot this time once again, isn't it, Hans Slim? That's amazing. Every crowd, everybody here, can we just scream a little more, please? Yeah, come on! Scream a little more, please. Let's get the party started once again. Hans Slim's on the stands. If you're ready, everybody say, we will. Louder please, we will. Rock you! Alright, Hans Slim, if you're ready, the stage is yours. Anytime you want to come up and take it, it's all yours.
All right, the song that I'll be singing right now is not PUBG, but it's dedicated to all the ladies. All right, don't think that I'm singing for you, but think that your man is singing for you. It says, there for you, and I'm going to sing this for, especially for a lady. Yeah. See, I never thought that I could make it this far, girl. I've been praying to God to find someone like you, and He answered my prayer. And I thank Him for giving you in my life. So I wrote this song for you, girl. I'm gonna sing this. Yeah. See, the first time I saw you, you took me aback. Never felt this way, I couldn't even react, cause I was lost in the moment. I see you passing by, so perfect in my eyes, that I came to realize I've been on crack for so long, I need a medication, someone to grab hold of me. It seems to be a perfect definition in my side, an angel in disguise, the grab to my mind, left that halo behind. When I'm with you, you take all my worries away. The vibe in my sorrows that you make me forget about my pain, all the agony, drain to my misery. It all just go away when I look at you. You see, I know I am not perfect, but I'm trying to be the guy that's just worth it. We've been through some ups and downs as part of a relationship, and I'm trying to make sure that our ship don't sink. Cause I never wanna see you cry, never wanna say goodbye. I just wanna keep you close, always here by my side. Need to show you here, take mine. No, you worry, I'll make you smile. Cause I do it all just to keep you happy. Are you lonely? Run it out, I'll be there and not lose my cool. But I meant every word when I say I love you. Just remember me when you hear this song, I'll be right there. I'm always where your heart is, even in your darkest fear. It's not just a song as I write this. Every verse, every line, you should know I put my heart in it. And I'm glad that I got you. Finally got to call you my baby boo. You're the greatest thing that ever happened. My baby girl, I thank you, and I dedicate this song to you. Cause I never wanna see you cry, never wanna say goodbye. I just wanna keep you close, always here by my side. Need to show you here, take mine. No, you worry, I'll make you smile. Cause I do it all just to keep you happy. Are you lonely? Run it out, I'll be there with a smile. Cherish every moment, you and me like a child. I'm feeling sick, let me be your pills. Baby, this is how I feel, and I do it all just to keep you happy. Yeah. Don't make a girl cry, but always be there for her and keep her happy. Peace, everyone, I'm out. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Namsen. She is one lucky girl. Okay, next we will have the casual round now. So may I request the contestant to be ready with the casual round? Chua ji tao Miss Dole bo bu ji veju mo tao hino the round ali ji tao hin ju ngo bu ji so bu ji so lai kwa ju jolo leke. So da bu ju lo mo ta no ta lo ni mo ta wi te le ha na ha probable.
Music, please. And guys, round of applause, please. They don't want to walk in without you folks clapping for them, please. Let's welcome them in once again. Thank you. How was that? How did you like it? All right, how did you like it? They're not feeling a lot of love. If you remember me saying before that if your girl comes out, and I could see that a lot of us actually saw your girls there, your village, from your place, from your town, and you saw it, you did not scream as loud as how you wanted to scream as before. So loud round of applause and a scream for the girls, please. For the ladies, scream as loud as you can, please. You can scream, it's all right, it's tonight. Let's show our Poumai communities, Poumai, come on, we have to actually show that we've got enough strength after a hearty dinner once again. Scream loud for us, please, PNTM conference, everybody, come on. As I go down from here, as I ascend, the scream has to go up. Come, 1, 2, go, come on. Much better, much better. How about we do some dancing while we wait for them folks to come up on stage? I'll be inviting my co-host as well. I'll actually teach you a few steps and we can do a bit of a dance. What do we say? We okay with that? We okay with a bit of a dance? All right, and I would like to request, yes? Zumba dance, right? Some wants the banana dance. By the way, I'm the guy who did the banana dance yesterday. If you still remember. All right. But today, okay, we can start with the banana dance. And right after the banana dance, we're going to do a classic one as well. A classic, okay? We'll need music from them later. But for the first part of it, we'll do the banana dance. Everyone, let's not be sleepy. Come on, folks. Join us. Join me. Join me and Mevine as we do the banana dance. Come on, everyone. On your feet, please. On your feet, please. You'll feel warmer. You'll feel better right away. You're on television, by the way. Everybody's watching you. All around. You know, the other day, I've got folks from Delhi and Bangalore and other places. They messaged me saying, I didn't even realize that this was streaming live in the first place. That was stupid of me anyway. But you folks are there, so come on. Let's show the other folks around that we can do a bit of a jiggle, right? And we're still up. The night is still young. Okay. Who remembers the banana dance, by the way? People who remember the banana dance, show of hands, please. Mevine, we did the banana dance yesterday. Did you see it?
Yeah,
she wasn't there yesterday, so I think we have to teach her as well.
Yeah,
are we ready? Yeah. Mevine, are we ready?
Yeah, we are. Let's do this.
Okay, we go with, how do we start? All right. So for those of you who are uninitiated to the dance, it goes like this. I'll show it to you first. Maybe join us, join me as well, okay? Peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana. What do we do next? Chop banana, chop banana. Guys at the back, I cannot see you doing it. Chop banana, chop banana. Peel again, banana, peel banana, peel banana. Peel banana. Do I see there? My friend out there, you're not doing it. Come on. Let me remove your hands. No folded hands, please. Let them free, okay? Let them free. All right, let's get started then. Everyone.
Let's do.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I am. Let's do
you
it.
are?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Everyone, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Peel banana. And sing along with me. Peel banana. Peel banana, peel banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, drink banana, drink banana. Whoop! Thank you guys, thank you, especially people in front. I really love that. And Mevine, thank you. That was really gracious. Hey, folks at the back, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please clap your hands, folks at the back. PUBG song. The headshot songs. We don't want any headshots right now. Well, not right now. We want our heads to be intact right now so that we can actually think and watch the rest of the show as well. Okay. Now, music on cue, please. The last music that we play for casual. Same music. Okay, guys, without me saying, you all got seated, right? Did I ask you to sit? No. Thank you, anyway.
My co-host Jimmy is a very good dancer. He will be teaching us like one of his dance move once again. So it's a privilege. We're all getting to learn so many new things from Mr. Jimmy.
I think the dance has to wait. You have to wait a little for the dance. It will be break ke baad aayenge. Okay? We've got presentation coming up. Thank you, guys. You can, yes. You can stop the music. Thank you very much. Apparently we've got a presentation that's coming up, so we'll actually cue that in right now. Dominic is here to do the honors on that. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, host. Jitavi, behind every success of any program or whatever it may be, Jitavi program, Zavu 44th Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me Conference 2020 hi. Zavu nina tauna hata ve gather cha buju. Those one vebuere, there are some few personalities. Zavu jita conference na hata avasyam, no sira. Jitavi Poumai motono by labor and honor where they have rendered their labor. So I, on behalf of the Executive Council, would like to acknowledge Jitavi conference hamatonu kotosumo korasumo. They rendered their time. Hamatonu so tausu jita Poumai conference successor mo shirana. So tausu koshise kototo tupisevanu. On behalf of Executive Council hinu, I would like to acknowledge to some few personalities who has contributed a lot for the success of Conference 2020 Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me. And to do the honor, may I have the honor to call our President, Mr. Isaac Thavina, to do the honor. First place, Jida Zavu conference, there are some few personalities who has sacrificed a lot. Jida Filetoe, Hamatonu conference and Avana, South Tosuvanu, Nairo Hosu, Vanu, acknowledge on the Shabu Tivanu. First, may I call upon Dinal Sakni, the convener of Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me Conference 2020. Dinal, convener, Jita Vizavu conference vi Hananu. Core committee vi convener Supiaboya, Mr. Dinal Sangni. Let us give a round of applause to him. It was through his leadership we come that far and we are enjoying as of now. Next, we also have K.S. Rosane, co-convener. Miss K.S. Rosane, co-convener. If you are around, K.S. Rosane, I think she's around here. K.S. Rosane, we are in short of time. Next, we have S.M. Hobson, Secretary, Core Committee. S.M. Hobson, Secretary. Hamatavanu, Zojita Avasya gathering Liheta Vebuzu, Ngoro Hamatanu, Tautama Koto, Sumokurasama Avatabismanu. Next, we have Toza Rosemai. Toza Rosemai, member, Core Committee. Toza Rosemai. I think they are still busy because the conference is yet to conclude. So, Hamato Habu Morashipare. And next, we also have T.H. Vipuni Hana Hashipare. He is also Avatuhi in charge Tabure. Next, we have Sanaroko, President, Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me Pomota. Hana ava Russia la ba para. I think he is also the host as well as Jitavi Pamatavi President. We also have Mr. Dakhu Poumai, President Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me Chileve, Mr. Dakhu. Hamadora have Pramora para. I think they are still busy. Jikule Pomono Jitavi conference at Chema Buhira. They are still running up and down. Let us give a round of applause for them. No? And we also have S. Bevi, President Lipona Youth and Student Organization, if he's around. Hamadora assignment promujuli para. So I think they are still busy working for the conference. And next, Jitavi Finance Committee. Finance Committee in LS Jonah, Convener. Finance Committee, if you are around, sir, please. Hana Hasupare. Mr. Halunu Khana, Co-Convener. Finance Secretary, Finance Committee. Mr. Busumat also Profibio, please show your face to the congregation, to our very holistic gathering. Have Niltavi Buna Profibio, Executive Council Matano Nilta Ngairo Husivanu acknowledge. I think he's not around. And we also have RS Obe, Finance Committee. RS Obe. We have Kita Hanapa Harashipa. She has moved down to Sanapti for some urgent work. Next, we have Dr. Paude A, Chief Editor, Souvenir Committee. Dr. Paude A, Chief Editor. This is the Souvenir Committee. Mr. Haluna Khana, you can please come after Mr. Paude. If you're around here, Nilta Bujumatazo, please, Executive want to acknowledge you to the whole congregation who has gathered, who are gathered here. Rangfana Wipent, Souvenir Committee. Okay, thank you. Thank you. We also have Kune Nancy, Hanapajita Shela Bumore. I think she's also still busy. Vitrina Pau. Miss Vitrina Pau, Souvenir Committee. Hana Arusha Bubarashu Para, Executive Council, along with the Organizing Committee, Mr. Samuel, Commander, Jita Vizavu, Conference Vihi, Volunteers Met of Commander, Mr. Samuel, if you're around here, the committee as well as the Executive Council would like to acknowledge you with a small token of gift. Mr. Samuel, thank you. Lara, yeah, it's here. Yeah, he is the commander. He is the commander in chief, Mr. Samuel. Executive Organizing Committee Metano for your sacrifice. Thank you, sir. Presentation Pisira Tinu Akaisib Lara. Thank you so much, everyone.
Sorry to interrupt. Still yet to go. I cannot forget my tribunal member, the one who is presenting the presentation, Mr. Dominic Arjuna, please come. He is a tribunal member who is always behind us to support, to advise, and to help in days and nights. So, two of my tribunal members are absent. We'll try to acknowledge later on. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dominic and Mr. President, for introducing the people behind the success of this program. Javujita we PNTM we conference we na hamatavano we isolate is using opujivano ni have we kalo pauboy.
Mr. Abednego. And that's a popular name, Mr. Abednego, if you're anywhere, if you're ready. All right, he's ready. He's been waiting in the wings to entertain you tonight. We'll have his presentation now. Thank you.
Well, hello. Good evening once again. I'm gonna give another rap song, and this one's gonna be a hardcore one. Here goes the track. Yeah, Kells, I am the Alpha Omega, black flash stronger. Fuck a driveway, I'm an apple in hangers. Me and my gang popping champagne like players for all of them days with no lights and no cable. No one can save you, my city fat. Make it up out of it, how can they hate you? CLA, and this the greatest. I like this bitch, I make it look like it's fake, cause we on. Motherfucker, we on. The first one to blow since bound. Took it back when I had a backpack full of bad guys. Didn't want to hear my song, motherfucker, y'all round. Motherfucker, y'all round. Hear my song, motherfucker, y'all round. Yeah, Kells, I am the Alpha Omega, black flash swinger. Fuck a drive boy, I'm an airplane hanger. Me and my gang popping champagne like players for all of them days with no lights and no cable. No one can save you, my city fat. Make it up out of it, how can they hate you? CLA, and this the greatest. I like this bitch, I make it look like it's Vegas. We on. Motherfucker, we on. The first one to blow since bound. Take it back when I had a backpack full of fat grass. Didn't want to hear my song, motherfucker, y'all round. Motherfucker, y'all round. Mariana never like home. Where I'm from, enemies bust off the shots like King Cooper. Road to district, I'm go like Bermuda. I'm just a boy in the hood, I'm Cuba. So soon as I move out about me a rocker, you come to my house, you blow like a tuba. Are you bringing to bitch, you call us a scooter. All of your shells that we start on was scooter. Be your bitch, fuck you bitch. I am the Alpha Omega. Bitch, I am the Alpha Omega. Hey, I am the Alpha Omega. I am the Alpha Omega. Look, if you ain't living your life, then you're dead. And sleep is his cousin, so I shut my bed. Paranoia got me using this mess, now I'm smoky as Chris on a Friday like Craig. Retract the statement, I'm stony astray. Evacuate when my homies get mad. You better pray to your God for a blessing before they make you roll like Armageddon. Knew I was trouble since I was 11. Ripped up my jeans and I bought me a leather. My friends saw me as a king like Coretta. My dad saw his son as a nuisance, a rebel. And yeah, my music sounds like the death. Turn the shit off and get out of my temple. Right after that, he'll go back to his cattle. One vodka and bring it all up until he's master. I have no issues, I am official. Let them come at me, I practice jiu-jitsu. Only fact do things with 3 letters down. That G-O-D got in my fucking initials. Doctors call up to the news to report to them what they discovered. Said I'm the first of a species that they call a rare motherfucker. And I'm sorry if you get a lot of hip hop, more followers up in the lessons in the way they positive, but you be hollow when they're talking about Superman and never in metropolis. And if I follow astronomy, I'm a Taurus, and I don't give a fuck what you thought of me. I want to develop like a lobotomy. People want me to finger everybody who watches us. Fuck that with the beat back and smell a little bit with the real fat. Nah, fuck that with the kid fast. Sprinkle the beat on a pot on my weak stat. Give me a minute to go hear my treasure. Fuck a little bit of my cup of tea. I'm a little like the zip on my den. Don't want to hear a lot of luck of cigarettes in the bitch. Whoa, what's the religion? I wanna know what you're seeing in a couple of seconds. I wanna see the criticism of my lyrics. The one I'm in the flash group in this like cannibalism and cow. Thank you.
Mr. Abednego, that was awe-inspiring. Next level on Eminem, isn't it? You can bring him down anytime. Our own Eminem in the house. Please give a shout to Abednego once again, please. Make some noise for in-house Eminem. Guys, please, round of applause. I know you continue with that. We're going to get started with our 3rd round on this. Our casual wear is over. We've got our evening gown coming up. Make some noise for the beauties of tonight. Miss Poumai contest. Ladies, if you're ready, you may come and take the stage. Thank you. Make some noise, please, and welcome them. They're ready. Thank you.
Tell me what you really like. Baby, I can take my time. We don't ever have to fight. Just take it step by step. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake and the heat beats with your legs. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run. I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. Oh, I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. baby. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, baby. You are not the single type, baby, this a perfect time. I'm just trying to get you high and faded of this touch. You don't need a lonely night, so baby I can make it right. And you just gotta let me try to give you what you want. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run, I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. Oh, I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, baby. I
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the beautiful 9 contestant of PNTM 44th Conference, Miss Contest. And now may I take this privilege to present to you the person behind the success of this show. Mr. Robert Pau, he's a fashion director and a model. And Ms. Genevieve Duo, she's a makeup artist and a fashion director. Let's give a round of applause for Mr. Robert Pau and Genevieve Duo.
Mr. Robert Pau and Genevieve Duo. Big round of applause for them once again, please. Thank you. Talented, amazing. That's from our very own Poumai backyard, Poumai community. Once again, we're very proud of you.
So as the contestant keeps standing, we will give out the 5 subtitles for this evening. Joko ko hai itono do bakhat juji ango bue sita wo hai chu prices hai pui pa ju su lai contestant mai tawni tikano la bu pulus ka lo le.
All right, cue music, please. And I would like to request contestants, because the audience love you so much, they want to see you take the ram walk once again. All right, once more, cue music for another minute, please. Our audience, would you like to see them take the walk once again? Yeah, absolutely. All right, music on, please.
Just take it step by step. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake and the heat beats with your legs. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run, I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. Oh, I feel it coming, I feel it coming, I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. Not the single time, baby, this a perfect time. I'm just trying to get you high and faded up this touch. You don't need a lonely night. Baby, I can make it right, and you just gotta let me try to give you what you want. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run. I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch, and it can set you free. We don't have to run.